How to delete all watch later videos on YouTube. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily do that. So first of all, let's head over to youtube.com on our browser. And I'm going to add a few videos to my watch later. So let's just click on the three lines here and then save to watch later. I'm going to do this for a few videos. And once that is done, all right, so I think I've added a few videos here. So all you need to do now is go to your watch later option on the left side of your screen. And here you'll be able to see all of your watch later videos. Now, if you want to delete it, you can just directly remove all videos. And if you click on it, you'll be able to remove all videos from here. If you don't see this option, you might need an extension. So you need an extension called Watch Later Assist. So what happens is just go to Chrome Web Store, and then here on your web store, just search for Watch Later Assist. So just search for Watch Later, and here you'll see the Watch Later Assist video. Just go ahead and add this to your Chrome. And here you'll find the option to remove all videos. Once you've added it, you can just click on Remove All Videos, and it will start running a script, and it will automatically remove all the videos. So it will start from the bottom, and one that was added the last will be removed to the later. So once that is done, just close it out. Now let's just go to youtube.com again and go to watch later. And once you land on the watch later page, as you can see here, all of the videos should be removed. That's pretty much it, guys. If you found it helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.